Hi guys, Chef RG is back in the kitchen, and today I'm gonna make the viral onion chips that's been going haywire online. They look delicious and I really wanted to try them out. I'm gonna do a little twist to them though, because I just like to be different. So we got some sweet onions. Instead of Parmesan cheese, I'm gonna use Italian blend, just because it has different kinds and I love cheese. And then for seasoning, I'm gonna actually use the everything bagel seasoning. So let's try this out. You're just gonna have to slice up the onions. I have the oven already on for about like 380. I'll put it higher if I want it, a little crispier. And let's get started. Okay, this is just 2 onions. It's just 2 of us. I don't feel like I needed 4. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use this glass Pyrex, whatever. I'm gonna spray just a little bit of oil down first. I'm gonna put cheese first. The TikTok just puts cheese all on the bottom, but I kind of want to layer mine. All right, I'm gonna put cheese down. And now you're gonna take these and just lay them on here. Now I'm gonna season this layer. And then I'm gonna add more cheese. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on top just because I have extra. I guess I'll just put like the single pieces on top because it'll just stick to the cheese. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese, not too much. Just one more dash of seasoning, not as much as the first time. All right, this is what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna put it in for like 20 minutes. I want this really crispy and brown, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. This is the final product. It looks and smells delicious. Now, I think because I double layered it, it didn't get as crispy as I wanted, but I did leave it in for 20 minutes, and then for the last 10, I actually hit it on broil. So, it's already been cut. That looks good. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna have to reattempt this and just do 1 layer next time, but it just smells so good. Okay, it's really hot. Mmm. Yes. Mmm. I'm obsessed. This can easily be like a side dish for a dinner meal. I feel like if you ever have like chicken or steak and this is a side, I think this goes. Oh my God, it's delicious. It's definitely oniony. I love the seasoning. You can actually taste the everything but the bagel seasoning on it. It's crispy. The flavors and the texture of the cheese also make it bomb. Oh, this was so good. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm sure if you let it cool down, it'll get even crispier. So, I don't know. Let me know if you guys try it, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.